if you're as old as I am, then you may remember the Cherokee version 1 because I think that was a long time ago, the Cherokee version 1, but they come out with Cherokee version 2, and I didn't have the Cherokee version 1 actually, so but new and improved with the latest electronics. It's 1.7 meter, this nice high-vis scheme, but it's powered, so when you power it up, then the power pod comes up like that. It has ailerons, elevator and rudder. It can take off from the ground. It has a wheel underneath. It also has an optional tow hook you can install. You could do it off a bungee. You could, in theory, tow it with a plane up, but it's just an L, effectively, upside down to tow it up. Or you can hand launch it. So many ways of getting it in the air. I'm going to try from the ground to start off with. Now, packs. It's supposed to take a 3S 2200 shorty pack. I don't have one of those, but I have squeezed in a 3S 2600 pack, and that fits in, and the CG's not too far off, so we'll give that a go. So let's connect it up. My radio's on. So you can see my battery in there. It's quite big, but still amazingly got the CG. So, which is 60 to 65 millimeters from the leading edge of the wing. Let's go with mid rates to start off with. Just check orientation and rudder. My rudder's reversed.
We've all done it.
That is why you check on the ground before you take off. Channel 4. And then I need to center it. There. These things you spot on the ground that would cause you a disaster if you're in the air. Here we go. All right, ready? Ah, interesting, eh? It's dragging on one tip.
There you go, perfect.
Bit of height. And power off. No trim needed. So I'm not sure, you know, I just held the wing level on the ground, so neither tip was touching the ground. Full throttle to let it get away, and then just keep it level, and it took off. That was quite easy.
To be fair, we do have a strong crosswind today, so
We do.
that's probably pushing the wing down a bit.
Yeah, the crosswind doesn't help. Looks good though.
Does? Nice sort of sun coming through the wing.
Certainly lovely and floaty into wind, which is what that is.
Keep losing you on the eyepiece.
You lost me?
Yeah, it's the eye fin moves.
Do that again, that was fun. Climb, climb, climb. Into wind. Power off. So I don't think this is meant to be particularly aerobatic. More for hunting for thermals, I think. Do one more of those. And rudder, do a loop, beautiful. I love that sound. One more, can I do one more? All right, let's land. Oh! Hard to judge. I need to go further out. Let's do that. All the way up there. Shallow turn. A little bit lower. Oh, lovely.
Perfect.
So there you go, Cherokee version 2 1.7 metre powered glider. Lots of power on 3S, certainly doesn't need to be 4S. Climb, hunt for thermals, do loops. I'm not sure about rolls. I think rolls would be quite slow, but I'll try that on the next flight. but lots of fun to fly. Link for this in the video description and the pinned comment. Thanks for watching. Thanks to Nick on camera. Be back soon on Essential RC. Bye.